You sending him a picture?
Yeah. Look at that baby turbo. Just a little guy. Disrespectful. So rude. So rude. So we have Josh Gunnett's billet block back from Roche, and so we're gonna finish putting it together and start the process of getting it installed in the car. We have Granis's GR1000 kit. We're gonna be fitting the car with a new Link G5 Voodoo ECU in preparation for this car to do something and get this project moving along forward. This project has a little bit of a sad story behind it, but I won't get too much into detail. The car came from another shop, the engine had failed twice, and so now the car is here. Now that we've remedied the engine failure issue, there's a couple things we're going to be going through before the engine gets installed. I'm changing up quite a few things because there's quite a few things on the car that were unfortunately kind of messed up. So we're kind of just going through things piece by piece.
Oil pump lock off. It's billet. Yeah. Aluminum as well. Of course. You excited about this one, babe? I know you're a little sick today. Huh?
All the billet.
All the billet.
The beach.
The beachers? The beachers?
No, the beachers.
Why is it called that?
Don't get my dad.
Because it's gonna beat your ass.
Probably. He got a big ass one too, and I think Ryan took it when he took the 40.
Go up a little bit more.
Wait,
Up a little more. More. This one, boys. See, that's backwards. I'm kicking it in, but pulling it out when it comes out.
in fact, you're good. Common sense. Over there, just keep it low.
Come in. Swing the ass around first.
Can't get the manifold on.
Fuck no.
Gotta loosen up the bolts you just tightened. Is all. It's all right. This is why you're so good at everything, because you just like to do things.
9 times.
Practice makes perfect. Almost put the hoist away. Good thing I didn't.
Yeah.
Alright, we'll be back with the manifold. Already got it on. That's how fast you are.
Go YouTube magic.
Yeah.
I was gonna puff too much brake cleaner.
Brake cleaner, methanol.
It's really the methanol, to be honest.
Methanol.
Sitting inside Duffy's car.
I was telling him, I was like, I just love the way Jorge's car smells, like the ethanol.
Sweetness.
Yeah.
What's he run?
E85.
But is it 1R or?
What? Yeah, 1R. And it does. It's so.
They made a candle like that. I'd buy it.
We have one right now.
Well, it's not 1R,
An
is it? It's just
E85?
like the E85 candle.
No, I think it's just VP race fuel.
Smells like detonation.
No, that'd be. You mean smells like SR20s?
Disrespectful. So rude. So rude. Had an RB once in his car, and now he shits on SRs.
No.
I know, the SR is
There's
not
more
bad.
SRs on the road that you've tuned than an RB, by the way.
They're definitely not. Definitely not.
Australia says different.
Australia.
This is America.
Nothing to work on with America.
No.
SR's good. It's not
God,
You must have lost to an SR once, and that really pissed you off.
Nah,
Yeah, you got your ass beat. You got your shit clapped by 2.0. That's what happened. Running some junk ass VQ coils, coil packs, and that. That's what happened. His motor blew at 600. That's what it was.
It was actually 7.
You said stock rods too, right?
Stock rods.
That's wild.
Edgar likes to push things to the limit.
No, I can tell. So make 698 in your car.
No. Your rollers, he did a burnout in. And the wheel literally was like this.
So much power the wheel was relentless.
Yeah. No lie. No cap. Jaden was here. Ask your son. All right. Just in time for the show. By the time I edit this, though, the show will be long past. You look pretty.
Baby shit.
Ooh, easy there.
Some turbos over here.
That's some baby shit. Come on, you don't like that noise of the squealing dry install?
I know. Why are you like not even like?
Because this turbo's coming back off.
Oh, is it?
Yeah, because he's getting a new one.
Is he gonna get a new one?
Yeah, he's gonna get the new one. The
Oh, he
next gen.
decided?
Just by no charge. He's getting it.
He's putting us on for looks right now.
Yep.
Do we have the intake manifold?
Yeah, I know.
No. Why?
Because it's a pain in the ass to put it on, and then I'm gonna have to take it back off.
It can't be worse than that one fucking nut you just spent half an hour on.
Well,
Probably.
I'm happy with this, Edgar. I think this is good enough for the show.
Yep.
Get the billet block in there. Got to start on. I mean, you know, you can't have everything finished. Look at Luis. He's on the engine stand. On the RB one. Even though your head's still at the machine shop.
Where?
Your head's at the machine shop.
Yeah, what's that?
It's on the engine stand in the engine room.
Oh, I haven't been in.
Block, yeah.
Last time I walked in, it was like 7 blocks. I was like, Edgar put me in KA next. And a CA. Baby RB. To a CA 18. Plus T that thing. Please, I need that freeze frame so I can walk around with that face on my shirt. When I send you this, just know I fucking hate you. It's gonna be a photo of Edgar looking at you. You're stupid.
Look at that baby turbo. Just a little guy.
Just a little guy. Does he look pretty? I know, when you put the pipe on it, it looks ridiculous.
What size is that?
4-inch? Is it 4-inch?
What? No, that's 5.
5-inch. It's very large. It's the only time 5 inches is large.
Yep.
It's just about average.
All right, so you want to take your screwdriver off the top there? Or?
Nope. Stay right there.
Oh, do you bring over the pro packs?